Today, I'm sharing some top strategies to help you blow up your Instagram. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, stick with me, because these tactics will make a huge difference. Now, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help things along. But here's the deal. ChatGPT is only as good as the prompts you give it. You have to know what to ask for. When done right, it can give you creative ideas that engage your audience, showcase your expertise, and encourage interaction. So, let's dive into it. First up, create shareable workout content using ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to brainstorm workout routines that are easy to follow, visually appealing, and perfect for Reels. Quick, shareable content like this keeps your audience engaged and wanting more. Later in the video, I'll show you a few prompt examples to help you get started with this. Next, we have engagement-driven captions. ChatGPT can help you craft open-ended questions like, "What's your go-to post-workout snack?" or "Tag a friend who needs this workout." These kinds of captions encourage followers to comment and share your posts, which boosts engagement and visibility. Number 3. Want to get people talking? Use ChatGPT to create 30-day fitness challenges that keep followers coming back every day. The key is consistency and interaction. When people get involved in a challenge, they're more likely to stay engaged and spread the word. Struggling with reach? ChatGPT can help you optimize your hashtags. Ask it to suggest niche fitness hashtags that aren't too saturated but have high engagement. This helps you rank higher in searches and get discovered by new followers organically. Finally, leverage your DMs. ChatGPT can help you craft thoughtful, personalized messages to new followers. Building direct relationships with your followers will set you apart as a trusted authority in the fitness space. Ready to see ChatGPT in action? Let's ask it to give us 3 ideas for short-form fitness content that would work great as Instagram Reels and boost engagement. Let's see the response. ChatGPT said, "Here are 3 Instagram Reel ideas that could boost engagement for fitness influencers. Quick and effective 5-minute workout challenge. Show a fast-paced, full-body workout that anyone can do in just 5 minutes. Use text overlays to display each exercise with a countdown timer. Encourage followers to try the challenge and tag you in their posts or stories. Meal prep hacks for busy people. Film a time-lapse of preparing easy, nutritious meals for the week in under 30 minutes. Break down key tips, like portioning and seasoning tricks, with voiceover or text. Add a CTA for viewers to share their own meal prep tips, or tag someone who needs this advice. Before and after, transform your morning routine. Show a split screen of 2 versions of your morning, one without fitness and one with a quick workout. Contrast the energy, mood, and mindset between both. Use captions like, 'How fitness transforms my day,' and invite viewers to start their day with movement. These ideas are visually engaging and can encourage viewers to interact by participating in challenges, sharing tips, or tagging friends. Next up, we'll ask ChatGPT to create an engaging caption for a 30-day fitness challenge post that invites followers to tag their friends. ChatGPT said, 30-day fitness challenge alert. Who's ready to crush some goals together? It's time to kickstart your fitness journey, level up your strength, and feel amazing. Join our 30-day fitness challenge and let's push each other to new heights. From daily workouts to healthy habits, this challenge has it all. Ready to make a change? Let's do this. Tag your workout buddy in the comments to join you, and let's hold each other accountable. Who's in? Next up, we'll ask ChatGPT to write a warm and encouraging DM I can send to new followers who join my fitness challenge. ChatGPT said, "Hey, name, welcome to the challenge. I'm so excited you're here and ready to crush your fitness goals. This journey is all about progress, not perfection. So remember to take it one step at a time. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way, and together we're going to make this an incredible experience. If you ever have any questions or need extra motivation, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's do this. #challenge accepted." Now, we'll ask ChatGPT to suggest a list of 15 niche fitness-related hashtags that have high engagement but low competition. ChatGPT said these hashtags target specific fitness niches and communities, helping you connect with people who are truly interested in these focused topics. This final prompt showcases how AI can act as both a collaborator and assistant. We'll start by having it create a 4-week Instagram content calendar for a fitness influencer, complete with workouts, meal ideas, and motivational posts. After that, we'll ask it to format the calendar into a table for easy viewing. Check out the results. I wanted to give you a glimpse of how this works in action so you can replicate it yourself. Remember, the more specific you are with your prompts, the better the output. I recommend phrasing your prompts conversationally, as if you're speaking to someone directly. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights into how AI can help take your Instagram growth to the next level. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's how you use it that makes the difference. Keep experimenting with prompts, stay creative, and tailor your content to connect with your audience in a meaningful way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI and social media, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what strategies you're excited to try, and feel free to share any questions you have. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.